Hello everyone, my name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter, and today, welcome to part 2 of my most recent trip to Michael's, Walmart, and Hobby Lobby. So this is the actual yarn haul from those stores as a result of my recent shopping trip. So I'm going to show you the yarns I got from Michael's first, and I did go a little crazy. Oh my god. Alright, so then, as you saw in part 1, the actual, give me 1 second here. Oh yeah, this is all that. So, I was kind of excited when I first came into the store, and then I saw it was like a separate kiosk that had their yarns for $6.99, their Karen cake yarns, and then a couple shelves below were the actual big twist. So I was kind of like, oh my god, they got big twist. So I snatched a few of these skeins. So I got 2 of these ones, the green ones, and then this color this is their big twist value yarn. It's a number 4 weighted yarn. It is 269 yards or 246 meters, 4.3 ounces or 121 grams. It's machine washable, and the color is lime jelly. And I got 2 of these. And then I also got 2 of the red. And I got 2 of these value yarns, and the color is cherry mix. And then I only got 1 of these ones. I like the way that I like the colorway on this. You see some like whites and light blues, a little bit of dark blue in here. Same stats as the other skeins. And the color is speckle blues. And then I saw this one was pretty. I like this is their big twist twinkle. And this is slightly bigger than the other 5. It's 371 yards or 340 meters, 6 ounces or 170 grams. It's a number 4 weighted yarn. It's machine washable, and the color is light purple. I kind of like it's got the little kind of flecks of sparkle in there, so that's why I got it. I only got 1 of these. Then for the second bag, alright, so this one I saw this was kind of cool. This was a Lion brand or Heartland yarn, and this is a number 4 weighted yarn. It is 5 ounces or 142 grams, 251 yards or 230 meters. It's 100% acrylic. And oh, I forgot to mention the material for the other 5. The other 5, I think they're all 100% acrylic for the big twist yarns. And the color on this is called King's Canyon. And then the next yarn is their Karen macchiato cakes. I've seen this yarn before, but I never brought myself to purchasing this, so I thought I wanted to work with this and see how it works on the hook and how it comes out. And this is a number 5 bulky yarn. It's machine washable. It is 80% acrylic and 20% wool, so it's a acrylic wool blend. And the color for this is Nourish. And then the last skein of yarn I got from Michael's. This is their threads and loops. This is their silky soft bamboo yarn. Hope you can see that. And this is a number 3 yarn. It's 100% rayon, made from bamboo. And then the color for this is cobalt. So I'm thinking about using this yarn for my Marrakesh blanket, just like how I did with my Somewhere Over the Rainbow yarn. Tried using a lighter weight yarn to join the panels. Makes it more seamless and you won't see all the bumps. And then this isn't yarn exactly, but I've seen these cards online. This is the Crochet Stitches cards. You learn different stitches with this. It comes with a little booklet and 52 cards. And then these cards are popular on YouTube and on the net. That's the Granny Squares yarn. And they did have their flowers yarn. They did have it at Michael's, but I didn't get it because I didn't want to buy too much. So this comes with a little booklet, and it comes with I think it's like 50 cards for Granny Squares. So I might try these fun to work with this. All right, and that is for Michael's. So I'm going to put this yarn away, then we'll move on to the yarn from Walmart. All right, so next up is the yarns I purchased from Walmart. So I'll go over the colors now. And Walmart, I know we're supposed to have their big sales on their Bitty Stripes yarn from Red Heart, and I was able to procure a couple skeins of that, and some I already have in the back, like the Pink Lemonade and the Rainbow and the Rainbow Mist. And I have a couple other ones too, but they're out of sight, so you can't see. Anyway, so this is their Red Heart Super Saver Bitty Stripes yarn from Yarnspirations. It's a number 4 weighted yarn, and the specs are 10 ounces or 283 grams, 515 yards or 471 meters. It's a number 4 weighted yarn. It's machine washable. I think it's 100% acrylic. Let me make sure I'm right on that. And yeah, 100% acrylic. And the color is Moonbeam. And I got 2 of these. Then the next, this is from Premier. This is their Premier Bloom series. It's a big chunky yarn. This is a number 5 chunky yarn. It's machine washable, I believe, and I believe it's 100% acrylic, but let me make sure I'm correct on that. Yep, 100% acrylic. It is 218 yards or 200 meters, 7 ounces or 200 grams, and the color for this particular skein is Wildflower. And then I also got a couple cotton yarns. Both of these are from Peaches and Cream. And this is the first cake of yarn I got. See, this is all cotton yarn. It is 2 ounces or 56.7 grams, 95 yards or 86 meters. It's a number 4 worsted cotton yarn. And the color for this is Psychedelic. Then I've worked with the stripy yarn when I made my dishcloth in my other video. And this is their Peaches and Cream stripy yarn. It's 100% cotton. It's a number 4 worsted cotton yarn. It's machine washable. And the specs are this. So this is 2 ounces or 56.7 grams, 102 yards or 93 meters. And the colorway for this is Quiet Dahlia. And then I also got a couple crochet hook sets from Lion Brand. I've never worked with bamboo before, so I'm kind of curious to see how this is going to turn out as far as to work with bamboo on yarn. I've always worked with metal hooks before, even some plastic ones, but I never worked with bamboo. So I got 2 sets. I got a set from G, H, and I, and then other was J, K, and then the N. So, and this is from Lion Brand. So I'm curious to see how these hooks work out with the yarn. I may do a review on these hooks. All right, and that is the yarn and accessories that I had purchased from Walmart. Next, we're going to move on to the yarn from Hobby Lobby. All right, then finally, the yarns from Hobby Lobby. So when I went into the Hobby Lobby, I was kind of impressed in how large the store is. I mean, I've been to a couple other Hobby Lobbies in my area, and the one in another city over from where I live, it's almost as big as the one and the almost as big as the Hobby Lobby I went to the other day. So without further ado, let's go get onto the yarns. All right, so I'm going to start off with this one. I've heard of DK before. All of these are their own brand, like the I Love yarn, and they got the Yarn Bee. And I thought this was really cool. This is their DK yarn. So number 3 weighted yarn, low pill fiber yarn, soft and sleek DK yarn from Yarn Bee. It is 100% low pill acrylic. There we go. And then the specs on this is 4 ounces or 114 grams, 478 yards or 437 meters. And I love the color for this is Irish Rain, and I can see why it's called that, because there's a lot of different shades of green in here, dark greens that I love because green is my favorite color. So any chance I can get to score a green yarn, I'm going to do it. And speaking of green yarn, the next 2 skeins, it's also from their Yarn Bee series. This is their rustic romantic yarn line. This is a number 4 worsted acrylic hemp blend yarn. So it's 85% acrylic and 15% hemp fibers. So this is going to be kind of interesting to work with. It's machine washable, and 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, 220 yards or 202 meters. And the colorway for this particular skein is olive. And then I also got another skein of the same yarn, but it's just a different colorway. And the colorway for this particular skein is Blueberry Bushel. All right, and then the next 3 are their I Love This Yarn series. I've got 2 of the I Love This Chunky yarn series, and I got different colorways on this. When I saw this, I thought it was gorgeous. I want to work with this. And so this yarn, it is a number 5 bulky yarn. It's machine washable. It's 3.5 ounces, 100 grams, 109 yards or 100 meters. And then there's the specs for the type of yarn it is, and the hooks, and the recommended hook sizes. And the colorway for this is called Sunburst Harvest. And then I also got another skein of the same series, but a different colorway, same specs. And the colorway for this yarn is Cinnamon Cedar. And then the final yarn I got from Hobby Lobby, this is their Baby Bee. I thought this was a really cool colorway. It's like rainbows, and I love anything with rainbow in it. And this is a number 3 light yarn. It is 60% acrylic and 40% polyamide. And I guess I kind of feel like why it's soft because it's a polyamide. It is 4 ounces or 115 grams, 377 yards or 345 meters. It's machine washable. It's a number 3 light yarn, so I'll show you the specifications on that. And then the colorway for this is their Sweet Delight Prints line and sprinkles. And the color for this is Sprinkles. Alright, so that is all the yarns I have from Hobby Lobby. Alright, thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much fun as I had making it. Hope everyone's day is going well today. Take advantage of life while you still have it. Enjoy the time on Earth while you still have it. Be kind to each other. Help each other out. Spread love, not hate. Grab those crochet hooks. Grab some yarn and create something beautiful today. And we got a yarn bomb this place. and spread love and positivity throughout the universe. So hope, like I said, hope everyone's day is going well today, and I do have some future video ideas down the pike, so stay tuned for that. And I am grateful for all of my 144 subscribers at this time, and I still am waiting to hear back from Michaels and Hobby Lobby and Lion Brand as far as if I am going to become an affiliate for them. So, and I think I posted my 2 affiliate links for Premier Yarns and Yarnspirations in my last video, so feel free to check those out. And as I mentioned before, any orders that you make as a result of those links will result in me getting a little commission from your order, so then that helps the channel grow, so that way I can become monetized and purchase more yarn for more videos. All right, so on that note, oh, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so that way you become notified when new videos come out. And again, I'd like to thank all of my subscribers and all of those who are showing me lots of love and support for this channel, and I hope to reciprocate and return to y'all great content. On that note, take care of yourself and each other.